I was sent this iSTIM TENS and EMS unit here. I have it currently going right now. I'm on a 7, and I'm doing this just to be able to so that you can see kind of what it looks like, how it works, and how it comes together. So these things are great not only for pain relief, for muscle rebuilding, but also for muscle building. So you can use these in a lot of different scenarios, whether it's recovery after a long workout, whether it's trying to build muscle and maintain muscle when you're being maybe more idle, whether you're reading a book, watching TV. These things are actually really great too if you're doing a workout and then you want it to actually work you even harder, is you have this running while you're doing the workout, and so you're getting almost a 2-for-1 because you're able to do it physically as well as passively. So this is a passive unit because you're not needing to physically need to do anything, but it helps build it up there. All right, so I'm increasing the intensity here. I went from 7 just so that you can kind of see what it looks like here, and I can feel the intensity come in here to my arm. Sometimes you can see things starting to pulse a little bit. Whoa. So I just, it goes on and then it'll shut off and then it'll go on. You can see how the muscle there is being activated by it, and then you'll see it turn itself off here in a moment as it goes through its cycle. So I have it pretty turned on right now with a 36. And you can see the intensity of it as it builds up and then goes down. Like for me to try to extend my arm, it actually takes quite a bit of effort here, but you does such a good job of being able to build muscle. And then when it relaxes, you're like, wow, that is quite the intensity going in there to be able to do that. But these things are fantastic. So one of the great things here, I love doing endurance activities, and the benefit here for me is that I can do this and still be present as a father, because I can turn this on and be active with my kids, but still feel like I'm either doing recovery after a workout, pain relief, as well as muscle building. So the TENS side is the recovery and pain relief, and then the EMS is for more of the muscle building. But being a passive unit, it works really well, and you can do it in so many different places. I've even done it while driving. Definitely don't do it on parts of your body that you require for steering or for using the pedals, because once it activates, you might lose control. Kind of as you're seeing with my arm, all of a sudden relaxing and then tensing back up. Not a good thing there. But if you're a passenger, it's a fantastic thing to be able to use for that, to be able to still get a workout in while you're traveling to another destination. All right, has a belt loop on it here, and or a clip. You can clip it either on your belt or you can clip it on something that's close to you. The little door here, on and off, real easy to be able to open. It's rechargeable, has the battery port here, USB-C. It does look like it has a battery port here, but do not open. It has a little button here that says do not open. The electrode go up here, or the electrode cables go up here. You have 4 different channels that you can select from. And the usage sheets, these are fantastic so that you just get a really good idea of where they go. So many times companies say, oh, hey, go to this website or use this digital link to be able to see where they are, which, hey, that works sometimes, but I really like to be able to have the visual. Not only does it help me know where exactly I should put this, but then it also gives me the channel and a description of what it's working and why it's working at that. So I think that's really handy to be able to have. All right, I'm gonna give my arm a rest here because it's doing a great job working it, but I just had it on for the video here. I really love this. This thing has been a really great addition to my workout routine. I've used one of these for a number of years, so I know that it works really well. I know you're gonna love it as well.